Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to change the language on the Capital One app. While there might not be a direct option within the app, here are some simple steps you can try. Let's dive in. First of all, check your device's language settings. The Capital One app may use your phone's default language. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, then Language and Region. And on Android, go to Settings and search Languages and Input. Set your preferred language, and the app might automatically adjust. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This resets its settings and allows it to sync with your device's language preferences. Still no luck? Contact Capital One's customer support. They can confirm if there's an app specific language setting and provide additional troubleshooting steps. Lastly, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Updates might include fixes for language settings or new features to customize the app. And there you have it. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.